Welcome to Qlik's July release highlights. This month we have updates across AI and augmented analytics and data preparation. Qlik Answers now defaults to fast mode, returning answers in seconds for direct retrieval-style questions like pulling a number, slicing a dimension, or generating a quick chart. Thinking mode is still there, unchanged, for complex analysis, multi-step reasoning, or building sheets from scratch. Switch modes anytime with one click. Your context carries over. If fast mode can't answer a question, it says so and offers a Think More button that reruns it in thinking mode automatically. No setup needed. Fast mode is on by default for everyone with application analysis access. Qlik Answers now uses linked business glossary definitions and synonyms when indexing application master items, improving semantic matching for user questions. Only verified glossary terms are used and definitions are applied at indexing time. Re-index after any glossary updates to pick up changes. Table recipe now detects, visualizes, and helps fix invalid or inconsistent data right in the no-code interface. Data type and semantic type discovery. Each column is automatically assigned a data type based on the data it contains. Data types include native data types such as integer, date, and text, as well as semantic types. You can manually change the assigned type at any time from the column menu. Column quality bar. Each column header displays a quality bar showing the proportion of valid, green, empty or null, black, and invalid, red, values. Cells containing invalid values are flagged in red. Click any segment of a column's quality bar to instantly filter rows by quality status, valid, invalid, or empty or null. The cleanse function lets you replace invalid, null, or empty values in a column. Table recipe also surfaces relevant remediation suggestions, such as replace, clear, or fill based on detected invalid values, as well as conversation function suggestions based on the detected type. Table recipe also has two new tools for cleaning data preparation logic. First, calculated columns. Build new columns using Qlik expressions with a built-in editor that includes autocomplete and syntax highlighting. Second, number formatting. Apply predefined or custom numeric formats, now also available in Dataflow's numbers processor. Thanks for joining us this month. We'll be back next month with more updates. See you then.